What's up everyone, 7-Star Mike here for Bull Flow, and I want to go over some options flow that I saw, I liked, and I took the trade, and I want to compare it to the checklist so you guys can see why stuff like this captures my attention. So on the screen here we have Snap. Now Snap has been in the news because TikTok is being potentially banned in the United States. So all the other social media sites have been getting some attention. We've seen some Snap flow in the last few weeks. So this was a particular trade I took, and I want to show you guys why it makes sense for me. So let's compare it to the checklist. Aggressive buying. So we start off with this $224,000 trade. Now I like that dollar amount for Snap, so that caught my attention. It was followed with 22, 15, 19, and 118, and then 15,000. Now this 15,000 line is where I posted the flow in the chat room. So this is what caught my attention up to here. Everything beyond that was extra. So when I saw the trade, it stopped here. So the 224 and the 118, I like those numbers. That's aggressive buying. Now specific contract, these are all the 124, 1250 calls. So you can see that they went 124, 1250 for all of these, and this happened 934, 935, 935, 935. So within a quick time frame, they hit this specific contract for a decent dollar amount. Now, contract price increasing is something I always look at. And look at the contracts here. They went 94, 95, 96, 98, 99, $1. They did increase a little after that, but again, this is where I saw the flow and this is where I posted it. Now we want to see ask side sweeps. You can see these are all sweeps. There's two bids mixed in there, but we know those bids are still actually buying even though they filled on the bid. So we started off with above the ask, then we have ask, ask, above the ask, and then those two bids mixed in there. So ask side sweeps, I like that. This trade is not a solo block. And significant dollar amount, again, the 224 and the 118 for Snap. I like those numbers. That made sense to me, so I took this trade, and let's go over to the chat room and see how it did. January 8th, here's the alert. I'm telling everyone in the room, this is a trade alert. I am in Snap, those 124, 1250 calls. I got filled at 99 cents. So in the notes section, I'm going to give a little kind of heads up on what I'm looking at. So this one says decent flow in the morning on a name that's been hit a few times in the last few weeks. TikTok has been in the news as possibly being banned, so this is probably spec flow based on that. So there's the alert telling everyone in the room that I am actually going to follow this flow. So here's my exit from yesterday. You can see I'm alerting everyone that I'm out of the trade. Those are the 124, 1250 calls, out at 121. The notes say that it reached target 1, out for 22% gain. And then I'm pointing out what my next target is. So target 2 is 1305. A little bit later, Snap at target 2, up 40%. And again, I'm saying target 3 is 1378. This is the chart that I was looking at where I got those targets from. So in the Discord room, I'm alerting people that I'm actually taking the flow, what I like about it, some notes as far as what I'm thinking of the trade. I'm letting them know when I'm out of the trade, and then I'm posting the results for everyone to see how it worked out. That's how I use options flow to find some profitable trades. If you have any questions, you can always hit me up on Discord or X or even YouTube. You can find me all over the place. I'm here to help you with your options flow questions.